Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and your fingers. This is critical. Wipe the display with a microfiber cloth until no smears remain, then dry completely. Next, lower ambient light to a moderate level so the sensor captures consistent contrast. Place the finger as instructed, vary angle and pressure, and enroll each finger in 3 to 5 positions. Once done, repeat those key positions to build redundancy. Make sure to keep nails trimmed and hands dry to improve long-term recognition. Once enrollment is complete, you maintain performance through regular calibration and care. After major OS updates or any sensor recalibration, immediately re-enroll your primary fingers. That ensures templates match new algorithms. Use only thin, manufacturer-approved screen protectors under 0.5 mm so the optical path stays consistent. Thicker films shift readings. Periodically wipe the sensor area and note patterns of failed attempts so you can decide when to re-enroll or replace the. You finish by validating and knowing how to recover if things go wrong. Test the sensor across dry and slightly humid fingers and from multiple angles to confirm robustness. If recognition suddenly drops, remove any recent screen protector or phone case and re-enroll the affected fingers. This often resolves misalignment. If problems persist, reboot the device and attempt enrollment again. Many temporary drivers or sensor locks clear on restart. If failures continue, contact support but document attempts first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.